Abusuafo me mama kwa baba Meratech Academy. Na unsubscribe yet I make sure so be subscribe to channel no. Obe share no like ama me na aboa me. Emisa ade a obetumi aye aboa me no so no ntimi sure o ye saade ma me. Na yintumi nkɔ akyi. Ye previous video no me yesenka me de exercise 5 we be mammo na nka mo try mo hands on it. Because I was also try on hands on it. Now who said they want to see it, but I mean, me person many way na me exercise 6, 7, I think 6, 7, 8 na mamona more trying to. Oh yeah, the issue be albania be no be to me. Contact me or Facebook, your Facebook page no, and I say LinkedIn, and obet me a comment or video where I say na. My wow. And my Facebook page na LinkedIn page no video description as in two bit me akɔ share. Yeah, me person me say emergency yen share example we na. Yen share the aka na mo best try my hands on na. Yen to aso. The question is write a program using pseudocode to accept a distance in kilometers and display the accepted distance in meters. Inti basically osha question ne per se ye convert ye number na yen convert it from kilometers to meters. What I say, until say he accept a distance in kilometers near display the accepted distance in meters. You can see you travel, but you too quiet. You can see according to na 2 yen na kilometers. You can see who say the bar meters are saying meters more. Until oh be our software be able convert it from kilometers to meters. I am sure quiet share algorithm. First of all, you best start the algorithm. And then you ensure that by now will be a channel. Now accept the distance in kilometers. Now convert it because step by step. Also accept distance in kilometers because we convert it from kilometers na meters. And also we can accept it in kilometers. Now convert the distance into meters. That is distance we na distance in kilometers na be convert distance into meters. Near display the distance near end the algorithm. Very, very, very straightforward. Then share implementation in pseudocode. You be declare variables the same because bako ebeji kilometer distance and meter distance. Inti you say you be accepted the distance in kilometers. Inti variable we never accepted distance in kilometers. Now you convert distance now in kilometers into meters. Inti variable we and you be convert it from kilometers to meters. Then you assign display and one because you display you declare another variable a be CV. You convert you sign. You say you are very efficient in our code. Until you see two variables we are. Upa which mind 3. But you are very efficient. You will save memory because of say you kilometer distance you be converted to meter distance. Into variable na you convert and one be hold solution that I convert here into say ya convert here with the and one was a display. You can see a sign a save in another variable. What I say, and because of say any numbers in a data type in the numeric. Into how it's here. Into first one accept kilometer distance. Into a text box be or no enter kilometer distance. Then you pana enter. Into your enter back end no. We be sign another space be convert amount accept k distance. Now second one compute m distance. Once m distance no na me declare one. Sorry. M distance no na me declare one. Into compute ni a keyword no. Pseudocode keyword no. But what be I am try some kind. To compute m distance ne be k distance times 1000 because 1000 because here converted from kilometers ako meters. What I say? Into 1 kilometer bi all the kilometers more 1000. Into see a converted there. Ebe k distance, that is number na I accept no, times sign a amount in meters into times 1000 into the times we are ebeba be save ewo m distance we tini display m distance. And into na make say hu hia say be sign declare another variable to say sum ne ade no, because we know edge first number na k distance na multiply by 1000 no ye declare variable be am 1000 times 1000 into all the time see ya answer in save or m distance variable ni display ma wa but what you say ti sanity nti na me can say obetime another text box e bia first text box said them can enter k distance now I enter nti another text box be ba hanom bia bibisa me can front end no another text box be ba na I don't know e bia answer na bia another button e bia click to get answer to click here na I yes adwuma we or back end or at the 1000 account sa text box na wo boy na the 1000 account na display or sa text box na wo na ma but what I say enti sa net here or question be able to media to comment section open so assign call back na share examples na ye ni na tiasi enti abusha for me the basic about before say major more questions nini. Write a program using pseudocode to sum up 12 and 18 and display the results. Read the file. Write a program using pseudocode to increment nx by 2 and display the results. Read so file. We be cast a senior deal with the heading and heading. And I write a program using pseudocode to accept two numbers. Divide the second number by the first number and display the remainder. Number 8 name say my mama clue kakra. Say who person who use remainder. Who accept so say to accept two numbers. Ni divide the second number by the first number and then say a very easy and display the remainder.